Hey, alright people, let's take a ride through the bustling city of Nnewi today, starting with Owerri Road. This right here is the Owerri Road in Nnewi, where serious demolition is going on as part of the Nnewi Okija Road dualization project by none other than Charles Soludo. Alright, we get it, development is great, but you can't help but feel for the people whose buildings are being pulled out as we speak. Pulling down this building is not going to be easy for them, especially in today's economy. It's tough, really tough, and it could not help me wonder but ask, where were the urban planning authorities when these structures were being built here in the first place? Were they just collecting their normal money and turning a blind eye? Now, people are paying the price. Anyway, what is happening on one end of town, something massive and inspiring is happening on the other end. Let's take you to the permanent site of Anambra University Teaching Hospital Nnewi. So a few days ago, we showed you what this particular project looks like. You know, we took a very massive tour around this project. Or rather, do you know that the legendary Chief Dr. Cletus Ibeto, yes, the man behind the Ibeto group, is playing a major role here in this hospital. He's personally constructing hostel apartments for medical students and staff within the hospital premises. Wow, that's really huge. Like, who does that? This is just a quick sneak peek for now. You know, a brief video to show you that Chief Cletus Ibeto is part of this project. He's the one single-handedly building a massive hostel apartment for medical students and of course the staff. But like I said, it's a sneak peek. We'll definitely get back to you with a more detailed video soon. If you want to see more development updates like this, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Drop your thoughts below, especially if you're from Nnewi. Let us know what you think about this project.